Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and this is your host Das, and today we are going to talk about a very new exciting lens. It's been in the market for a long time, but this is Sigma's the first contemporary lens in the market. Equipped with autofocus and manual focus, it also has optical stabilization, and if you are wondering, this is a 13 group 17 element lens. Yep, that's right, and the diaphragm is is having 7 blades into it. And why this is more versatile, more contemporary, as you can see right now, that apart from giving that 17mm wide, you can also see that the lens is a macro lens, so it's very good for product shots, and it's only 0.22 meters or 0.72 feet when you extend it. And I mean, like, the shots that you can get with this is amazing, and that is the only probable reason I probably have chosen this one to present in this channel. Now there is pros and cons of this lens, though Sigma says that this is having their very quiet and accurate fast motors. That might not be the scenario. Yes, it is fast and accurate, but it's not that quiet. Totally made in Japan, and I wanted to show you guys that the millimeter thread on the top of this lens is 72. Alrighty guys, to make this Sigma 1770 work on your Sony and everything, I also had a 50, and those macro shots that you just now saw was shot out with this 50. It's not about this lens, it's about this one. You will need an adapter. Alrighty guys, to understand the power of this lens, which is the Sigma 17-70, I have to get a Sigma MC11 adapter to my 6300. So what we did is that instead of going ahead and getting this product sponsored or anything, I went myself to Sammy's today, and in Sammy's we are going to select the MC11 adapter, and let's see how the lens performs. So we just went out of the Sammy's camera and we got the Sigma MC11 mount adapter, and I would recommend get the Sigma MC11. Now why? Because it's a native lens, and the Sigma MC11 is amazing when it comes to autofocusing and lag in autofocusing and all that stuff. This lens with this one is an awesome combo. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate this to you guys. Alright guys, so this is shot number 1. We are using the Sigma MC11 converter. Now I've set my autofocusing point to the left. As you can see, my priority is on the left. So now we are going to do a reveal shot. So you bring close to your foreground, so your minimum focal distance is out here. You click this and you do a reveal shot. When you're doing a reveal shot, you will see it focuses automatically. That is a good performance. Now if you want to cramp up the shot a bit, you can go for 28mm, bring it close, and then again do a reveal shot. That is a smooth autofocus. That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty, second shot is going to be this bus stand shot. As you can see right now, hold on a second, this is a bus stand, and in bus stand shots, when you are revealing your subject or anything, set up your autofocus priority zone to the right side, and after that just pull the focus like this. Just reveal the shot slowly, gently reveal it, and you will see it autofocuses again. Since your Sigma can shoot aperture 2.8, watch this shot as I will be going around it. So I'll be 17. This is, check out your minimum focal distance. So bring this one close. It's not focused. Now it's focused, right? Now you can do a semicircular shot on this just by bringing your subject in the middle of the frame, and then move slowly around it, and shoot at 60 FPS so that you don't go very far, and try to keep that in focus. I have not masterized this shot yet. So in front of you is a small gym that's already closed, and the gates give a very good pattern, and if you want to get good detail shot, this is what we are going to do right now. Okay, so check this out. So for this, my autofocusing is set on the left side of the corner of the screen, and this is zone autofocusing. Okay, now watch what we are going to do. So you have to walk straight, so make sure you're walking in this direction while your camera is facing that side. So there'll be a little bit of shaky movement, but we'll be seeing how this Sigma performs. So walk very close, gently, like I am doing, and then you walk around it. This is kind of another shot which you can do handheld. As you can see, I'm keeping myself focused always to the center. Okay, so for this shot, it's a very tricky shot because it's a handheld 360 shot, and you're going to keep the focus in the middle. As you can see, my focus is in the middle right now, if I can show you guys. So watch this, my focus is right in the middle of that street parking meter, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring my camera like this. So my camera is like this, and then I'm going to go like this, moving into, and then we will be moving outside the shot. So one leg forward and one leg backward, and then you can, without even moving, you can do the shot like this. So bring it back like this. Watch this. So for example, if I'm doing a review on a Osmo Pocket, which I've done tons of videos on Osmo Pocket, and if I bring this Osmo Pocket very close, it automatically adjusts to the nearest focus, and when I take it out, it knows me, and it focuses on me. Alrighty, so there is a small thing that I'm seeing with this lens. There's always a thing with this lens. The lens actually makes a small sound while recording. Watch how close I am to the camera, and it will still focus. So for example, again, same stuff. I'm going to bring this Soundcore Liberty Air close to the camera. So watch. I'm literally 2 fingers away from the lens, and that is the minimum focal distance of this lens, that I can actually show the products and everything and not worry about anything, because again, it will focus back to me. So yeah, if you like this video and the presentation, if you thought that this recommendation is great, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do hit that subscribe button with notification bells on the top.